Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Hope you all are well, good, and healthy. Welcome to the computer class. So, we are, very well, lesson 6 is going on, more about paint. So, almost you know about the MS Paint. So, we will do the practical also. Okay. So, last time we was in page number 64, rotate. So, I have to continue. 2 points are here. Before point, just I will for you. See, rotate tool is used to move the images in any direction. To use rotate tool, follow the given steps. Click home tab, click rotate. From image group, a drop down menu screen appear. So till it finish, now you continue this third point. Select and click the options you want to use. The image will be get rotate according to your selection. So we will go to the paint. Okay, see, can you see this? I am going to MS Paint. Now we are going to home tab. First of all, we will draw this circle. So what we will do, take the circle. If you want perfect, you use the shift key. See, it's a perfect circle. Again we will take for the eyes, this is the mouth. Okay, so we will take and drag it. First of all, we will change the, here we will take this, fill with color, and here according to this brown color we will select and put. After that we will take this, select this tool. Okay, here circle, if okay same color appears, so just delete it, and here you will draw, but I want circle like this, any oval shape I want actual. So I took this, I want to change the color. I took black color and copy, paste, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Select it. See, I am trying to do same like whatever it showed. So see, here I draw here one eyes, and second eyes again I will draw here. Okay, here I am drawing the mouth. Okay, now going to the view, go to the home tab and select all, select this all. Okay, then give here rotate option, rotate. See, can you see this? Right, left, rotate left and rotate 180% and flip vertical, and here flip horizontal. I hope you understand. What we did first, we took circle from the shape tool and drawing the perfect circle, right? Perfect circle, we use shift key. Now we draw the circle, then after that going to the fill with color. After that, choosing the any color and pasting here. This color is coming. Again go into the shape tool and select this for the eyes. Maybe the same color is coming, so I want to change in black. See, then again for the eyes. See, now come to the mouth. We will draw nose also here. See, okay. Now here this is the eyes. Again here is the eyes. It's totally, see, the correct shape, one face. Okay, so what we will do, again go to home tab. See, we will give the option select option here, already given, select. Okay, so select the picture like this. We selected the picture. Now we are giving the option rotate. Here is rotate. Home tab, here is coming the selected. Here is crop, means full page we are did like this. So we want again same page, Control Z. Okay, so we want size also big and small like this. First you select the picture, rotate, selection, select the picture, then now you give the option for rotate. See, the image is going up, down. Let's rotate 90 degree right, 90 degree right, 90 degree right. Can you see how the picture is rotated? So please you also do the practical like that. I hope you understand this. Okay, so come to the continue the page. Hope you enjoy that picture. 90 degree it's already written. Okay, now come to the this multiple choice question. Please complete in the book only. How many type of selection are possible in paint? Two type of selection. Second one, we can we rotate our picture in paint? No, we cannot rotate. Just on the place it is not like how it is rotating, actual rotate, not like this. Third one, we pick color of any other object in paint? Yes, we can use more color. See, now you know. Please complete in the copy and key terms also. Brush tool is like a paint brush. Airbrush is used for spray painting. Pick color tool is used to copy color from one object to other. Magnify tool magnifies the picture. Select tool is used to select a rectangular portion of drawing. You know, rectangular means when you select it, shape is rectangle. Freeform selections tool is used to select the part of drawing in an irregular area. If some part you don't like before it was apple, so that one you just select and remove that part. So that's why it is called irregular area or shape. Okay, now come to the key terms. Please complete key terms also with the color pencil and use the black pencil. Color pencil, key terms, any color use, and magnifier and airbrush tool also. Write in here, it's written blue as you like. other than the matter, you will use the pencil. To appear bigger in size, magnify. To appear big size, okay. Airbrush is an instrument used to spray color or painting. You know, toothbrush we are using like this airbrush. Here is the choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Dash is used to spray painting airbrush. Answer. Dash used to tool is used to see large image. Of course, magnify. Dash tool is used to copy color from one object to another. Pick color. This shape is an icon of option. Flip horizontal. So this you complete in the book only. This fill in the blanks, choose the correct answer and tick and false you should complete in the book only. Okay, next class I will give the question answers to you. Fill in the blanks. The option is given up. See, the free form selection is tool is used to select dash area, a regular area. You can choose the color from dash color box. You can choose the thickness of brush from dash option. Size, dash is a dash tool. This, can you identify this picture? This is magnify tool. Okay, and here is the copy paste. Is dash is a dash command, means copy paste command. Okay, see, tick the correct and cross the wrong. Airbrush is used to fill color in air. Wrong. Pick color is used to copy color from object. Tick. Magnifier means to reduce the size of picture. No. To delete an area, use select tool. Yes. Brush is used to make freehand drawing. Yes. I hope you understand that practical. So please, I request you do the more practical. If you get the time, little practice you do, you will not forget any options. Okay. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.